I just put $1 million inside this vault. And one of you, yes, you watching, will literally win it all.
What if a single blink during a 30-second Super Bowl ad was the difference between you and $1 million? Would you even realize you missed it? Hidden inside MrBeast's Vault Challenge is a trail of clues so subtle that most people watch the commercial without noticing anything unusual at all. But what if every symbol, every number, and every background detail was placed there for a reason, waiting for someone curious enough to slow down, rewind, and look closer? The MrBeast $1 million Vault Puzzle, launched through a Super Bowl commercial in partnership with Salesforce, is not a simple riddle with a single obvious answer. It is a large-scale, multi-layered internet puzzle hunt designed in the style of an alternate reality game, ARG. The challenge invites viewers to scan a QR code shown during the ad, visit a dedicated website, and begin solving a series of interconnected puzzles. The first person to correctly determine the final vault code and submit it through the official Slack interface wins $1 million. What makes this puzzle so fascinating is that it is intentionally complex, spread across multiple forms of media, and designed to reward observation, collaboration, and analytical thinking rather than luck. At its core, the puzzle is built around the idea that everything you see may be a clue. The commercial itself is packed with rapid imagery, background details, symbols, numbers, and objects that appear for fractions of a second. These visuals are not random decorations. They are placed deliberately, and many of them likely correspond to coded information that must be interpreted correctly. Participants quickly realize that watching the ad normally is not enough. Instead, solvers use video tools to step through the commercial frame by frame, capturing screenshots and cataloging every visible detail. This process reveals items that are nearly impossible to notice at full speed, such as specific patterns on the vault walls, brief flashes of symbols, or the placement of numbers in the background. After scanning the QR code, participants are directed to the official puzzle portal hosted on Salesforce's domain. This is where the challenge expands beyond the commercial itself. Registration is required, and after signing up, users gain access to a Slack workspace where answers can be submitted and hints can be explored through Slackbot. This environment is part of the puzzle structure, not just a submission tool. Slackbot does not give away answers, but is designed to encourage critical thinking and guide participants toward recognizing patterns. The use of Slack as a platform is intentional, emphasizing collaboration and communication among participants, which mirrors how complex puzzle hunts are often solved in real life. One of the most important things to understand about the MrBeast Vault puzzle is that it is non-linear. This means there is no straightforward step-by-step path where one clue directly unlocks the next. Instead, participants encounter multiple small puzzles scattered across different videos, images, websites, and social posts. Each of these smaller puzzles may produce a piece of information that becomes meaningful only when combined with results from other puzzles. This design encourages players to explore broadly and gather as much information as possible before attempting to interpret it. It also means that collaboration is highly valuable, as different people may notice different clues or solve different parts of the overall challenge. The videos linked from the puzzle site play a significant role in this process. Several MrBeast videos are referenced as part of the puzzle experience, and these are not included randomly. Solvers have discovered that titles, descriptions, pinned comments, and even specific frames within these videos may contain hidden hints. In some cases, seemingly ordinary phrases or visual placements are actually coded messages. Participants carefully analyze these videos just as they analyze the commercial, often pausing and reviewing them in slow motion to extract potential clues. A particularly interesting element discovered by early solvers involves the vault door shown in the advertisement. The circular design includes numbers that many believe correspond to Scrabble tile point values. When these numbers are mapped to letters using Scrabble scoring rules, they appear to form words or fragments of words. Some positions on the vault door are marked in ways that suggest certain letters should be extracted to form a hidden phrase. This is a classic puzzle technique where a numeric code is translated into alphabetic information, which then becomes part of a larger message. While no confirmed final solution has been publicly revealed, This type of interpretation shows how deeply layered the puzzle design is. Another key realization among participants is that the puzzle likely contains meta-clues. These are clues that do not directly give the final code, but instead point toward broader themes or structures. For example, some theories suggest that multiple solved riddles produce words that form a larger sentence or phrase. That phrase might indicate a location, a concept, or a pattern that is necessary to unlock the final answer. This is common in large puzzle hunts, where the final step requires understanding how all previous solutions connect together. Because of this complexity, many participants have formed teams on platforms like Reddit and Discord. These groups share screenshots, theories, and partial solutions, dividing the work among members. Some teams even agree in advance to split the prize money if they win. This collaborative approach is not only helpful but almost necessary given the volume of information that must be analyzed. The official puzzle page itself even encourages collaboration, acknowledging that the challenge is designed to be extremely difficult for a single person working alone. Solving a puzzle like this requires a toolkit of techniques and digital tools. Frame-by-frame video viewers are essential for extracting visual details. Optical character recognition, OCR tools, can help detect faint text or numbers hidden in images. Code tables such as Morse code, binary, Scrabble scoring, and other cipher systems are frequently referenced when interpreting numeric patterns. Spreadsheets are often used to organize discovered clues, timestamps, and interpretations so that nothing is lost or duplicated. Many solvers maintain shared documents that act as living databases of everything uncovered so far. A useful strategy when approaching the puzzle is to begin broadly. Instead of trying to solve anything immediately, participants first gather as much data as possible. This includes cataloging every symbol, number, and unusual detail from the ad and related videos. Once this collection is large enough, patterns begin to emerge. Numbers may repeat, symbols may correspond to known codes, and phrases may hint at themes. Only after enough information is gathered does it make sense to start narrowing down possible interpretations. Documentation is critical in this process. Without careful notes, it becomes easy to lose track of which clues have been analyzed and which theories have been tested. Successful solvers treat the puzzle like a research project, maintaining organized records of their findings. This methodical approach prevents wasted effort and helps identify connections that might otherwise be missed. Persistence is another key factor. The puzzle is not meant to be solved in a single sitting. It is designed to take days or even weeks of analysis. MrBeast and Salesforce have indicated that new hints may be released if no one solves it quickly, meaning that the puzzle experience may evolve over time. This requires participants to revisit earlier clues with fresh perspectives, as new information may change how previous hints are interpreted. Ultimately, the MrBeast $1 million vault puzzle is less about finding a single hidden number and more about engaging in a large, interconnected puzzle hunt that spans media formats and requires deep analytical thinking. It combines visual observation, code breaking, pattern recognition, teamwork, and persistence into a single challenge. Whether or not a participant ultimately wins the prize, the experience itself mirrors the thrill of professional puzzle hunts and ARGs, where the journey of discovery is as important as the final solution. Approaching the puzzle with patience, organization, and an open mind greatly increases the chances of success. By carefully analyzing every detail, collaborating with others, and methodically testing interpretations, participants can gradually piece together the larger picture hidden within the ad and its related content. The puzzle is a test of curiosity and critical thinking, rewarding those who look beyond the obvious and are willing to invest time in uncovering hidden patterns. In the end, solving the vault puzzle requires seeing the entire challenge as a web of clues rather than a single locked door. Each observation adds a thread to that web, and only when enough threads are connected does the full structure become visible. This is what makes the challenge so compelling, and why it has captured the attention of so many people. It is not simply a contest for money, but a demonstration of how creativity, collaboration, and careful reasoning can turn a short commercial into a complex and engaging mystery. Before you dive in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because the next clue, breakdown, or breakthrough could be the one that helps you crack the $1 million vault before anyone else.